Have you noticed something strange? The smarter AI becomes, the more people ask one question. What skill should I learn before AI takes my job? Most people start looking for the next software, the next coding language, the next tool. They rush to keep up with technology, but they may be asking the wrong question. Because history has shown something surprising. Every time a new machine appears, some skills become less valuable, while one kind of skill becomes even more valuable than before. And this is the strange part. The skill that will never be replaced by AI is not coding. It's not writing. It's not even using AI. It's learning how to solve human problems. Think about it for a second. Every business, every family, every school, every friendship, every team has one thing in common. They all have problems that need someone to understand people, think clearly, communicate well, make good decisions, and find a way forward. AI can give answers, but it cannot truly carry responsibility. And that difference is becoming more important every single day. Imagine two people. Both have access to the exact same AI tool. The first person keeps asking simple questions and copies whatever AI says. The second person asks better questions. They notice things others miss. They understand what people actually need. They combine ideas. They make decisions when there isn't one perfect answer. Who becomes more valuable? Not the person with the better AI, the person with the better mind. This is why learning how to solve problems is the one skill that will never be replaced by AI. Most people think solving problems means being the smartest person in the room. It doesn't. Sometimes it means noticing that your friend isn't angry, they're just tired. Sometimes it means realizing your study plan isn't failing because you're lazy. It's failing because you're trying to study for 4 hours without a break. Sometimes it means seeing that your business isn't losing customers because your product is bad. It's because nobody understands why they should care. The answer changes, but the skill stays the same. You look deeper than the surface. Here's something many people don't notice. AI works with patterns from the past, but life often asks questions that have never happened exactly the same way before. A new problem at work, a family disagreement, a customer with unusual needs, a friend who says they're fine but clearly isn't. There isn't always a perfect answer waiting in a database. Someone has to observe. Someone has to listen. Someone has to make a judgment. That's where humans still matter most. And here's another reason this skill is becoming more valuable. We are surrounded by information. But information is not the same as understanding. You can ask AI how to become confident. It can give you a beautiful list. But only you can notice that your confidence disappears every time you compare yourself with someone online. You can ask AI how to stop procrastination. It can explain different methods. But only you can realize that you keep delaying work because you're secretly afraid of doing it badly. The real problem is often hiding behind the obvious one. People who learn to find the real problem become incredibly valuable. Think about doctors. The best doctor doesn't just treat symptoms. They search for the cause. The same is true in every part of life. Strong leaders solve causes. Good teachers solve confusion. Great friends solve loneliness by making someone feel heard. Successful business owners solve customer problems. Even great parents spend more time understanding than reacting. Notice the pattern? They are all problem solvers. And AI actually makes this skill more important, not less. Because when everyone has access to the same answers, the biggest difference becomes asking better questions. A simple question gets a simple answer. a thoughtful question opens a completely different conversation. That's why curiosity is becoming a superpower. Children ask hundreds of questions. Adults slowly stop asking because they don't want to look foolish. But the people building amazing companies, creating new ideas, and finding opportunities usually have one habit in common. They stay curious. They keep asking, why? What am I missing? Is there another way? That habit trains your brain to see possibilities that other people walk right past. Let me give you a small, everyday example. Imagine your phone battery keeps dying every afternoon. You could keep buying power banks, or you could ask one better question. Why is my battery dying so fast? Maybe one app is running in the background all day. One better question solves a problem that 10 quick fixes never could. Life works like that too. Better questions often matter more than faster answers. But there's another part of problem solving that AI cannot easily replace: emotional understanding. Imagine your classmate gives a presentation and forgets a few lines. AI might say the presentation had mistakes. A human notices something else: their shaking hands, their nervous smile, the courage it took just to stand there. That understanding changes how you respond. It changes relationships. It builds trust. And trust is something technology can support, but not truly earn on its own. People don't remember every answer you gave them. They remember how safe they felt talking to you. Now, you might be thinking, this sounds good, but how do I actually become better at solving problems? Start small. When something goes wrong today, don't rush to blame yourself or someone else. Pause for 1 minute. Ask, what's really happening here? When you're distracted, don't only say, I have no focus. Ask, what keeps pulling my attention? When you feel stressed, don't stop at, I'm overwhelmed. Ask, which one thing is making everything feel heavy? When someone disagrees with you, don't immediately defend yourself. Ask, what are they seeing that I'm not? These tiny questions slowly build mental strength. Your brain begins looking for causes instead of excuses. Over time, this changes how you think. It changes how you study, how you work, how you communicate, how you make decisions. And people notice, not because you suddenly become a genius, but because you become someone who stays calm when others panic. Someone who sees solutions while everyone else only sees problems. That kind of person is difficult to replace, no matter how powerful AI becomes. Technology will keep changing. New tools will appear. Some jobs will disappear. New ones will be created. But every generation will still need people who can understand other humans. Think clearly under pressure. Ask meaningful questions. Communicate with kindness. And solve real problems. That's the one skill that grows stronger every time the world changes. So don't spend all your energy asking, how do I compete with AI? Ask a better question. How can I become more human? Because in a world full of machines giving answers, the people who understand people will always stand out. And maybe that's the future worth preparing for. If today's video made you look at AI a little differently, don't just remember the idea. Practice it. The next time life gives you a problem, don't search for the fastest answer. Search for the real question. That's where growth begins. Until next time, keep learning, keep thinking, and keep choosing the skills that make you truly human. Keep shining, keep growing, and as always, shine more.